Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining essential prerequisites with your first actionable steps. Install Node.js and a solid editor and configure Git. This gives you a real workflow. Learn core JavaScript syntax, control flow, and asynchronous patterns so you can reason about code. Then immediately build a tiny project, a calculator or to-do app to force practice. Once done, commit frequently and push to a remote repo so you form good habits. And make sure to test features as you add them. Once you have basics, deepen your skills with practical complexity. Focus on the DOM, fetch API, promises, and async/await so you can build interactive UIs and handle data. Learn NPM, modules, and a bundler like Vite to manage dependencies and optimize builds. Add testing and linting to catch regressions early. Choose a framework such as React or Vue and implement intermediate apps that integrate APIs. This forces architectural thinking and prepares you for team-style problems. To finish, polish and deploy portfolio projects so you can show real results. Add README, screenshots, and deployment links. Prepare interview tasks by practicing algorithms, whiteboard problems, and small system design discussions. Network, apply, and iterate on feedback. If things go wrong, reproduce the bug reliably, use browser dev tools and console logging, and perform a binary search through recent commits to isolate the change. This structured debugging saves hours and helps you learn faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.